I'm 50 years old and now it looks like I'm 35 thanks to this. This is the story of an Alaskan woman. Over the years, our skin is losing its beauty, elasticity, and natural tone. This is a problem that every person must face sooner or later in their life. In order to try to counteract the effects of aging, many people undergo dangerous surgeries. However, not everyone can pay for them. If that is your case, do not be discouraged. There are other alternatives more effective and safe. In this video we will talk about one of them that will make you look up to 15 years younger. As we mentioned before, not everyone can undergo surgeries to combat stains and wrinkles. Either because they do not have the economic position to do so or because they are unwilling to accept the risks. However, in nature we can find the perfect remedy for stains and wrinkles. According to recent research, cooked oats are very powerful to combat the effects of aging. This is able to do away with stains and wrinkles as if a eraser would be treated. If you want to know how to use oats to improve the appearance of your skin, pay attention to the following instructions. Oatmeal mask to eliminate the effects of aging. Ingredients: cooked oats without salt 3 tablespoons. Liquid milk 1 tablespoon. Coconut sugar 1 tablespoon. Preparation and use: for starters, we should cook a little oatmeal without salt and take 3 tablespoons of it. Then, take a container and mix the above 3 ingredients. Now, we mix everything very well until getting a paste without many lumps. Before applying this mask, we must wash our face deeply with soap and water. Then we apply this mask on the face and let it act for 20 minutes. Then, we rinsed our face with the water that was left to cook the oats. If desired, we can use an exfoliating cream after applying the oatmeal mask. This cycle we must repeat for a week in full. As a result, we will have younger, more beautiful skin with unique skin tone all over the face. Do not let your face get away the age you have. Wear this mask of oats and you will look up to 15 years younger. Share this video on your social networks with all your friends. Thank you.